What's going on, everybody? It's the Creative Fro, checking back in for another episode of Fireside Tech. I hope you enjoyed your week and are ready to learn something new, because today I'm going to be showing you how you can use B-roll to better tell your story. Now, if you didn't get a chance to see, this past Wednesday we posted a video going over what B-roll is and why I wish I knew about it when I first started out. So if you have yet to see that video, I suggest you pause this video now and go check that out, and you should be all set to speed. But before we dive into today's tutorial, don't forget to hit the big red subscribe button if you have yet to already, and also turn that notification bell on just for fun. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can use B-roll to better tell your story. So to do that, there takes some planning. So I took the time to write over what I wanted to talk about in today's tutorial, and after that I made a list of shots I wanted to get for B-roll. And during your planning phase, you're really going to want to think about what it is that you're talking about and the story that you're trying to tell, and then on top of that, those B-roll shots that are going to better help tell that story. And for today's tutorial, since we never reviewed this on the VAV channel, I'll be planning to talk about the Amaran ALM9. This is a mini aperture light that goes for about $50. So I wanted to talk about it because I think not only is this a great product, but it will be a good example to show how you can use B-roll to talk about this product. So the first thing you're going to want to do is either record you talking about the item, or get the B-roll shots and then record yourself talking about the item. Either way works, but for today's tutorial, we're just going to do a talking headshot here, and then after this is done, we'll cut the camera off and get some B-roll shots, and I'll show you how I get those two as well. So now that we've just finished recording our talking headshot, it's time to get the camera set up for some B-roll shots. So to do these B-roll shots, I'm going to set my camera to 60 frames per second, and this is going to help me be able to slow this down in post. That way I can make these shots look a lot more cinematic when I go to edit them. And now I'm going to go grab a tripod so I can put this camera down on a tripod and put some of the items in front of it to help really get into focus those detail shots, and that way I have a hand free when I'm trying to record that clip. So now that we gathered those B-roll shots and we've already recorded our talking headshot, now it's time to put these clips together in post, and here's the final outcome. All right, welcome to the tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about the Amaran ALM9. This is a small mini light that is very lightweight, portable, easy to toss in your pocket. You could toss this anywhere in your camera bag. This is not going to take up much space at all, and this light does pack a powerful punch. It comes equipped with a magnetic filter. That way you can add your own CTO filters if you want to either brighten up the shot or cool down the shot. Inside the included carrying case, you're going to find the filters that you can put on top of that magnetic filter. This is your regular everyday 5500 Kelvin filter, and this is not going to change the light. This is going to just diffuse it down a little bit more so it's not as powerful. And the next filter you have here is your orange filter, and this is another CTO filter that is used to help warm up the shot, and this outputs about 3400 Kelvin. And the last filter you have here is a blue cooler filter, so you can bump up your Kelvin to about 88,000 for this one here. And with the included magnetic filter, this makes swapping filters a breeze. Inside this kit we have a 5-volt USB charger that can be put into the computer, or it can be added to a USB port to charge up on the go. After the battery is fully charged, you'll have a runtime of about 13 hours. And if you have it at max capacity, the runtime will be approximately 2 hours. And the last item we have inside of the bag is our mount to be able to mount this onto other tripods or even light stands if you have to as well. So all in all, this light is very jam-packed with a lot of specs for only the price tag of $50, which I say is pretty awesome. This light would be best for someone who's on the go, an indie filmmaker, or anybody who's looking to get a little bit more light in the shot or just add to the arsenal of lights that they already have. This light is not complicated. All you have to do is turn it on and off, and all you have to do is change the amount of brightness by using the plus and minus button. 9 times out of 10 I have this light inside of my bag because I'll never know if I want to use it, and it's that light that I don't even remember sometimes that it's in my bag. So there you have it. That's the review on the Aperture Amaran ALM9. And there you have it. There's your tutorial on how you can use B-roll to better tell your story. And on top of that, you got a little insight of this brand new light. I hope everybody got a better visual understanding of how B-roll shots can work to better tell a story, and you can start using them today in your video edits. Please like the video if you did, comment down below if there's anything you want to see for Fireside Tech, and share this video if you think it could help somebody. I hope you enjoy your upcoming week and crush it. I can't wait to see you next Sunday for another episode of Fireside Tech. Until then, keep creating.